welcome. Okay guys, I wanted to share today these books, these journals. They are the journals that I've made on my last new brand class, the Nature Art Journal. And this is a big class that where we are going to make lots of papers using natural dyes and other techniques of using inks to create the shadows of nature. And this class is totally inspired on my art journal, that art journal that you also well recognize. And lots of you asked me to share the book, how I created, and so I extend that to all the knowledge that I've been that I have from my experience and my explorations and natural dye and eco printing process. So I create this big class where you have uh, three big major modules where we are going to create on two of them lots of papers, lots of fabrics printed and dye them, and in the other one we are going to create these two journals, the Nature Heart journals. And so today I wanted to share a little peek inside of these journals. So I'm going to make a flip through of the two on the class. We are going to create the two of them, so join me to these flip throughs. Okay, enjoy.